Hello and welcome back to Lessons Learned. Okay, obviously it is not August 2020, but you guys know it's just been bananas lately, and we just wanted to share some of our favorite cards, our star cards that we created and shared with others in the month of August. So we hope you enjoy them. Okay, so our first card features the June 2020 Spellbinders Small and Large Die of the Month. The small die of the month for June 2020 featured the hand motif as well as some flower and leaf dies. The large die of the month for June 2020 featured that geometric frame along with some other floral cutout pieces. So I just kind of put both of them together. We had a fun cutout with pattern paper. We added some gold dots and voila. And this beautiful floral card features dies from PinkfreshStudio. We're using here their Ornate banner die to cut out some of those dies in the background, as well as their Pretty Frames die for the focal point here. And that Pretty Frames die actually cuts out many more layers. We're just only using the inner two layers here. So that is why I love products from PinkfreshStudio. You get so many different options in their dies. It cuts a lot of layers. You can mix colors. You can add dimension by making more layers. I mean, you have so much versatility. So to complete the card, we cut out a flower and leaves from some of our Spellbinders floral dies. In addition, we use some Spellbinders glimmer foiling for our sentiment here. We put a ribbon on the card and voila, today we were able to celebrate someone. Oh, so cute. This one is for Vani. Here we feature the Hero Arts Kitty Stamp and Cut. Such a cute stamp and cut set. It had a die and a stamp of the little kitty and the teacup here. So we went ahead and cut those out, colored those in with our Spectrum Noir markers. We added some little white polka dots to the teacup with a white jelly pin. Now, remember the PinkfreshStudio frame dies, the essential frame dies? Well, yeah. These are some of the elements with some of the other layers of that die. So again, you get so much value with that particular die. So for this card, we white background stamped an image from a Hero Art set to get some contrast in our card. And voila, this was the card for my sister for her birthday. She absolutely loved it. And this next card, cute, simple, pretty quick card featuring the PinkfreshStudio Geofloral background die here. Simply, we cut out this floral background die in rich red cardstock, put that onto a card base, had a little ribbon here, and just glimmer foiled a sentiment that says just for you. Gorgeous, quick, and simple card to brighten someone's day. And our next card is a pretty simple card again. We just embossed some cardstock to make this beautiful chevron texture, and this card features the PinkfreshStudio's Hello Standalone die. So it's the word hello as well as the shadow background. We took the word and did a few layers of that in die cuts, topped it with some glossy accents. This swirly, it's a die from someone, I'm not quite sure who, but we just added some blue Nouveau drops to the swirly areas, and voila, a quick, bright, fun, cheerful card to brighten someone's day. Now, before you stone me, I know that it's way past Mother's Day, but I never got a chance to feature this lovely card that I made for my mom. Happy Mother's Day. This card features the Spellbinders large die of the month for September 2018. We cut that out of some gold foil. We did some dry embossing to a large white cardstock base, and then we brushed some distress ink on that card in a nice pink hue. We mounted this focal piece onto the card. We added some dark pink enamel dots, few touches here and there, and voila, a lovely Happy Mother's Day card for my mommy. Last but not least, we have this striking Hello Sunshine card. This card features the Essential Frames 2 die from PinkfreshStudio, and this card demonstrates what I was trying to tell you earlier. All of the different layers on the front of this card come from one die. Yes, all of those layers, they're separate and they come from that one Essential Frames 2 die. We just kind of interspaced some of the dies with gold foil and the crisp white foil. We glimmer foiled that Sentiment Hello Sunshine with our glimmer foil foiling system from Spellbinders and the die cutting machine, and voila, such a clean and simple yet striking card to brighten someone's day. Thank you so much for watching. That was so much fun. You know, there's so much going on right now with supporting the kids in school. We are committed, though, to continuing to create, to be a blessing to someone else. So stay tuned for more videos. Until next time, be sure to bloom where you're planted. Goodbye. God bless.